Hey guys, it's your mum Anna, and today I'm doing a Christmas Eve box for my 10-year-old daughter, but make it anime, because I'm finding 10 is a really hard age, like every year, up until my sons are 25 and 17. Like, I knew it was coming, but this is like the first year there's no big toy release that she really wanted, but she's really into art, anime, and that sort of thing, and that's what she said my aesthetic is, anime weeaboo. So I've done what I can. Let's see what you think. So the first thing, it doesn't actually fit in the box. It's this manga drawing kit. So in it has 5 of the Mont Blanc dual tip markers and a drawing pencil. Contains a sketching pencil, 5 specialist manga pens, plus detailed instructional book and artist's sketchbook. So I thought that was pretty good. Like most families, we do pajamas in the Christmas Eve books, and they have always been like a favourite character, like LOL or Frozen or something, or Christmas ones up until this year. So I got these from Ali Fashions in Australia, reduced to $12. It's just, we're in summer, so it's little shorts and singlet pajama set that's like the little lucky cat that represents wealth, I think. Then this is where I got creative. So I went to the Asian grocer, which we are quite familiar with. My daughter likes it. And I got Hello Panda, 2 of these cute little lollipops. One of those drinks that has the ball that you have to smash through. They're like $6 at the sushi place, but like $1.70 at the Asian grocery. These are these cute gummies that's... I've seen a lot of this stuff on like TikTok unboxing kawaii things. Kawaii meaning being Japanese for cute. They feel like little balls. It says contains real fruit juice. Anyway, I don't know. This is also a like boba pouch tea drink. We have done the rest of these sets, but I got to the last pop and cooking set. So these are actually tiny little foods that you make and then eat. This is the ice cream sundae set. And this one is different. These are DIY Kitty Workshop crafts. So you make those 2 little gorgeous, they look like boba drinks, and they have the little straws and stuff, 2 little gorgeous key rings. So I thought that was really cute. We have the infamous Pocky and strawberry and choc banana. We also have some cookies and cream. And then we have these cute little, like, stuffing it. We have these cute little marshmallows that look like pandas. And then on the inside they have cherry or strawberry or something. And then there's a little savoury treat. We have some shrimp noodles. So that is how I did my Christmas Eve box, but make it kawaii. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you'd like to see what my kids are getting in their stockings. I did a Christmas video, but I've bought a lot more since then, so I might do a haul after they open it. But yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you think I'd like your channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.